So, this is Fairy Tale. I'm going to walk Fairy Tale into the chute. I don't know if Fairy Tale's been in the chute in years, since she's been an adult. So we go nice and easy. Attaching the four-way to the cheek rings. One to a chin ring. Something I didn't do that I suggest is lengthen your four-ways before you get started all the way around, so that you don't have to lengthen them after you have the animal in here. So I have her quite well secured. I will use the belly straps, and sometimes when the belly straps are placed under, they want to go down, so be prepared for that. These are quick release fasteners, so that if there's an emergency and the animal needs to get out fast, it's just a snap of this collar as opposed to some sort of a thumb latch and having to pick it up and try to take weight off of the strap. Now, she's actually come down onto my strap before I had it fully up, so I'm going to use two hands, one to lift this way and one to pull the strap down, and I can actually lift her right up. So that she's in a fairly natural standing position here. When I'm doing the blood draw, it's best if the head can be level. The theory is if the head is extended way up, the vein, instead of being round, will be stretched and it'll be flattened and make it a little harder to hit. So I'm using a 22 gauge 1-inch needle, making sure that the needle is firmly on the syringe, pulling back the plunger a little bit so we can see the flash.
Uh-oh, the battery's dying.
So, I'm going to find the jugular furrow here. With my thumb, I am occluding the vein to stop the flow of blood back to the heart, and then working some blood down to the bottom of that to create a good pool. And then right above my thumb, I'm going to go in parallel to the skin, and of course not getting any blood on the first try. So occluding the vein, finding the middle, right above my thumb. And I'm going to draw about 3 cc. And I'm using a red top tube as required by my lab for the progesterone test. There you have it. So, thank you to Molly Ward, videographer, for her assistance today. If anybody has anything that they'd like to see, drop me a line and we'll see if we can't show you how we do it here at Au Sable Valley Alpacas. Thanks.